Do you remember your favorite perfume from when you were 30? Maybe it was floral, or powdery, or warm and spicy. You wore it on dates, to dinner parties, or just to feel like you. It clung to your scarf, whispered in your hair, and lingered on your pillow. But now, at 60 or 70, you spray it on. And something feels off. It smells different, or it fades too quickly, or it even turns sour by the afternoon. So you ask yourself, did I change? Or is it the perfume? The truth is, it's both, and that's okay. In today's video, we'll explore the 7 most common perfume mistakes women make as they age, and how to fix each one with elegance and ease. Some of these may surprise you. Some may make you smile, but all of them are shared with Elegance, with a deep belief that your presence deserves to be unforgettable. Mistake 1. Holding on to the past. We all have that one scent that feels like a memory. You might still have the bottle. Maybe you only use it on special occasions. Or maybe you keep using it, even though it doesn't feel right anymore. Here's the truth. As we age, our skin chemistry changes. Hormones shift. The oils in our skin become lighter. The pH of our skin becomes more alkaline. All of this affects how perfume smells on us. What worked at 35 might now feel heavy, sharp, or even sour. Fix it. Let go of the idea that your favorite perfume is the only one that defines you. It's okay to evolve. It's okay to have a new signature. Try exploring lighter bases. Musks, clean florals, green notes. Fragrance should reflect who you are today, not just who you were yesterday. Mistake 2. Applying to dry skin. This is one of the most common and most overlooked mistakes. As skin becomes drier with age, it doesn't hold scent as well. You might spray perfume in the morning, and by noon, it's gone completely. The reason? Perfume needs moisture to bind to your skin. Fix it. Apply an unscented moisturizer or body oil before spraying your perfume. Focus on pulse points, neck, wrists, behind knees. Let it absorb for a minute, then apply your fragrance. Think of it as priming your canvas. Before painting, you'll be amazed at how much longer and richer your scent lasts. Mistake 3. Rubbing your wrists together. We've all done it. Spray on one wrist, rub them together, move on. But did you know this simple habit is actually breaking your perfume? Zing! Friction creates heat. Heat disrupts the structure of the fragrance molecules, especially the delicate top notes. What you end up with is a distorted version of the scent and one that fades much faster. Fix it. Spray. Pause. Let it dry naturally if you want to distribute the fragrance elsewhere, like your neck. Tap gently, don't rub. Let the perfume do the work. Trust the chemistry. Mistake 4. Only spraying skin. Spraying directly on skin is classic, but it's not always the best option. Why? Because mature skin often lacks the oil it needs to make scent linger. And some ingredients in perfume may not react well with medications, sweat, or skincare. Fix it. Layer your scent. Spray on fabric linings, scarves, collars, inner sleeves. Never outer surfaces. Lightly mist your hairbrush, then brush through. Hair holds scent beautifully. Use a small spritz in the air and walk through it like a veil. You'll create a 360-degree scent experience that feels soft, not overwhelming. Mistake 5. Choosing overpowering or trendy scents. Let's be honest, some perfumes in department stores are just too much. Too sweet, too strong, too synthetic. And unfortunately, some popular brands market to younger women, meaning the formulas are designed for youthful skin and social trends, not elegance or maturity. Fix it. Look for brands that offer skin musks, citrus blends, green tea, white florals, or amber, low aldehyde, and no artificial sweetness. Less is more. You want a scent that invites, not overwhelms. A signature that lingers softly, like a memory. Mistake 6. Ignoring tunanalo after 60. Our bodies produce more of a compound called tunanalo, naturally occurring scent associated with aging. It's not about cleanliness, it's about oxidation. And the frustrating part? Some perfumes actually clash with it, making it more noticeable, especially strong florals or sweet vanilla perfumes. Fix it. Choose perfumes with neutralizing ingredients, such as bergamot, white tea, sea salt, narrowly clean musks, hinoki wood. These don't just cover odor, they balance it with grace. Mistake 7. Using perfume only on special occasions. This one might surprise you. Many women over 60 stop wearing perfume unless it's for a dinner party or family gathering. But fragrance isn't just for other people. It's for you. It's a tool of presence, mood, and self-connection. Fix it. Wear perfume for your own joy. Make it part of your morning ritual, like brushing your hair or putting on lipstick. Spray it before a walk, while reading, or just before bed. Let fragrance remind you, I am still here. I am still a woman. I still matter. A signature for this season of life. Your perfume doesn't have to be loud. It doesn't have to be youthful, and it doesn't have to be the same as it was in your 30s. Instead, it can be refined, feminine, wise, and bold, just like you. So here's what I invite you to do. Take 30 minutes this week to go to a quiet perfume store. Try 2 or 3 new scents, test them on skin and fabric. Take note of how they evolve over a few hours. Don't rush. Don't settle. Find something that feels like not you back then. You're not stuck in time. You're still bloomin'. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Have you discovered a perfume that truly works with your skin now? Share it in the comments. You never know who you'll inspire. And if this video made you smile, nod your head, or feel a little more seen, I'd be honored if you subscribed. I create content for women over 60 who still care deeply about feeling beautiful, confident, and fully alive. You're not invisible. You're unforgettable. And your scent, it should say exactly that.